Okay, guys, so as you can see, we kind of got hit by a blizzard. It's in my driveway. It's all snow. Stairs, all snow. So what we're going to be doing to get rid of that, see, I'm all geared up in my snow gear here. Gloves, hat. So, my tools, a shovel, and right here, as you can see, if you can see this, let me move it where you can see it better. You got an electric shovel. This is how it works. Put the key, and it'll shovel all the snow. So I'll show you guys how I do the shoveling of the snow. And now that is how my driveway looks after using an electric snow shovel. And it's not even done yet, but it will be done soon. And thank you guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe as always, and have a good day. Snow day, I mean. So as you guys can see, we're in the midst of another blizzard. Hot paper. This over here. So a lot of people have been wondering why I haven't uploaded anything for a couple days. It's because I've been preparing for the blizzard. And shovel, wood, cars in the garage. Now we haven't gotten much, but we're supposed to get about 12 to 24 inches right now of snow. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to prepare. So first, put these reflectors out. We've got 1, 2, 3, I think 4 out. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I might be getting some more soon. Okay, so next you want to get your sand, of course. You want to choose your equipment. Salt, sand. I came up with this. Salt. And that other old container holds sand. So, the snow, let me see, isn't enough for the, I don't think it's enough for the snow shovel yet. So I'm just going to use this regular, very big shovel. Get some salt sand out. Also got this. Gotta do that. Got the electric shovel here. Got a bunch of other equipment, so I'm gonna do most of the driveway, and I will let you guys see the results. And so far, that's what I've done. If you can see, I got out the stairs, driveway, stairs are all shoveled out. So yeah, that's all. Next, I'm just gonna be putting down some sand and salt, like this. So just take this. I'm just going to do that for the whole driveway, mostly with sand and salt, and then sand for the stairs, and I'll be right back and I'll show you the final masterpiece. So I found that the ice, there's a lot of buildup, so what I use is just take a long screwdriver, break it up, that's it. You just break up the open. Like that. So I back with my other tools. And watch. See? And that's going to be for the whole driveway, so nothing special. I'll see you guys in a minute. And so now that's the driveway with the salt and sand. Next thing we're going to be tackling we got a lot of snow coming, so best way to get rid of snow, sorry about that, is this thing right here. Oh, this is a snow right, basically, hang on. Basically, take this. Scrape off excess snow off your roofs that way, because 1 cubic foot of snow on your roof, I read this, equals I think like 20 pounds of snow. I don't remember. Someone look it up. Whoa. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time right here. Hit the like, subscribe, comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.
I see the fucking home in camera here.
Okay, go.
Best in the world.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, guys.
We reppin' Chev.
Okay, guys. So just a little update. If you couldn't hear the audio, it was kind of messed up. But just a little update is going to be that, so I did all the shoveling. I went out. Okay guys, so I'm just going to recap what happened. We basically had a blizzard with 40, so 3 things needed to make a blizzard. 1, snow, like crazy amount of snow. 2, you need less than a quarter mile visibility for it to be less than 1/4 of a mile, 1/4 of a mile visibility, because you need to see where you're going. And 3, that's number 3. 3, you need a what's 3? Oh, you need wind gusts of over or around 40 miles an hour, which we had. So ahead of what came out before this, you can't hear my voice as well. Audio got messed up because of the snow and everything, so it made it difficult for me to hear, or for you to hear me, both. Also, my throat has been going down a little bit, so you might not have heard me that much, because I had a cold and it went right to my lungs and I couldn't talk. So yeah, that all happened. Sorry, you're just looking at a guardrail. There's nothing else really to look at except for me, but you don't want to see me, I guess. So yeah, thank you for all the support, guys. I looked at the numbers. We are over 1,000 views on the channel right now. We hit 29 or 28 subscribers. Pretty good. We're still running strong. Hogan Gamers United. Also, if you, in the earlier part of the video, you'll probably see 3 guys just looking at me, waving, smiling on a bench. From left to right, I think it's left to right. From left to right, I'm not going to say their full name, just to keep it safe. So from left to right, we've got Sam, Drew, and Marcel. Yeah, Marcel, Marcel. So yeah, that went good. They just wanted to be in the video, and I was recording at the time, so I said, hey, you want to be in? So yeah, we'll probably do another subscriber meetup soon. And so yeah, also, I showed you guys what I went through for one round of snow removal and everything, how I treat the yard and the yard and everything. That went good. Yesterday's storm, I had to do that about 5 or 6 times. Once in the morning, twice in the afternoon, twice more towards the night, and then once this morning. It was a lot of snow. And then I'm probably going to have to do more when I get home, because there was a ton of snow. So yeah, as the weather people said, it was considered a blizzard. I had school canceled. I had a pretty long weekend. I had Friday of school. I had school Friday. Then I went weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Monday I had off because it was a holiday for my school. And then I was supposed to go back Tuesday, but we had that blizzard, so I had 4 days off. Then this morning, they decided to call school a 2-hour delay, which we didn't really have a schedule for a 2-hour delay before now, so we got our own 2-hour delay, so we basically had a half a day for us, because 30-minute classes at my school, so it was all good. All in all, good day. What else happened? Oh, if you go check out Yuri Ryder's channel, by the way, you'll see some cool stuff. We shot some videos over I think 2 weekends ago that I posted. They're on my channel. They're not on his channel, but he put up a couple updates saying go to my channel to watch the videos. So after you see this video, go check out his channel, then come back to my channel to find the video of what we did over the weekend, because that makes sense, and it's bigly. So yeah, a couple other updates is that pretty soon, maybe in a couple months, I'm going to be bringing some gaming back. I'm hopefully going to save up enough more money after I start working again for a better computer, like a desktop, not a laptop, because laptop it's slow. I want to buy like one of those real gaming computers, but those are like a couple $100, so I gotta get work again. And then I'm supposed to be getting some cool technology that I'll be using for my videos for gaming. I'm gonna be bringing back Euro Truck Simulator 2, ETS 2, basically. American Truck Simulator, ATS, as you might recall. Graphics should be a little bit better, less lag. I might be bringing back some other games, like that Rainbow Six Siege that you guys wanted to see so much, and a bunch of other stuff. It should be good. I'm excited for it. I just need to get all that equipment, which could take a couple months, because on my salary, I need to save up. I'm also saving up for driver's ed right now, so that's going to take a while. I'm almost there to driver's ed payment. I've got like $50 left, if it's the amount that I think it is. I don't know. But I get paid for, doing odd round the house chores, like preparing for the snowstorm. I just got snow on my pants. I'm so happy. So yeah, that should be good. I'm going to be doing a lot of work around the house and yard and neighbors and friends, families, everything. I got a friend that hired me for his for part-time of his job. He does like land. He does all kinds of stuff. He's like a handyman guy. Big A, if you know who you are. Which I'm pretty sure you do, because You're the only one we call Big A, so thank you, Big A. Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap up this video. If I missed anything, I will post it in the next video, because it's getting cold out here. It's like 20 or so degrees with wind chill, so it's cold. Oh yeah, so big news coming up. I'm going to be getting some, other than the computer, I'm going to be getting some cool stuff from Craigslist or eBay somewhere that I can use for my channel. It should be good. I want to do something cool. I want to do something different. I want to do live streams. I have technology. I think I have Twitch and YouTube Live to be able to do live streams. The other thing, speaking of which, YouTube Live, I have found out that in order to do live stream vlogs, like straight to YouTube, and then YouTube will record it and then post it online later, like a couple hours later than that. In order to do that, I need 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. 10K. I'm very far off from that. I want to be able to make that goal in about a year or two, because I want to show you guys what I do and live stream like that, because I think you guys will enjoy it. So in order to get me there, I really, really need you guys to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, hit the little bell-ish like looking thingy, I don't know what it's called, I think it's a bell, that YouTube just came out with, to be updated whenever I make a new video and post it, because you don't want to miss a minute of the excitement, not even a second of this. So yes guys, as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell, anything, leave a comment, just let me know that that you guys like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Also, I will be doing some tutorial like stuff, maybe some computer stuff. It should be good. Bye. And as always, see you guys next time right here on Hogan's Gamer 55. Link description down below. There won't be any link. I don't know about a link. Down below, leave a comment, like, subscribe, everything, comment, anything. Do it all. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Bye.